Things you didn't know about space. Space is a vast and mysterious realm that has fascinated humankind for centuries. While we have made great strides in understanding the universe, much about space remains unknown. From the formation of stars to the presence of dark matter, the universe is full of wonders that often leave us in awe. Here are 10 fascinating facts about space that you may not know. Space is completely silent. One of the most surprising facts about space is that it is completely silent. This is because sound waves need a medium like air or water to travel through. In the vacuum of space, there is no air to carry sound waves, meaning that space is devoid of sound. Astronauts in space wear communication systems inside their helmets to talk to each other and to mission control, as their voices wouldn't be able to travel through the vacuum. This eerie silence in the vastness of space has led to many eerie depictions in science fiction movies, where you hear space battles in the vacuum. There is a planet made of diamond. Scientists have discovered a planet known as 55 Cancri e, located about 40 light-years from Earth, which is often called a diamond planet. This rocky exoplanet is twice the size of Earth and has a mass 8 times greater. What makes this planet so unique is its chemical composition, as it is believed that much of the planet is made of carbon in the form of diamond. Due to the extreme pressure and heat on the planet's surface, it's theorized that diamonds could form in large quantities deep beneath the surface. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has an incredibly slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. However, its orbit around the Sun takes only about 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus. Interestingly, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in the solar system, meaning that if you were standing on the surface, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive star that has exploded in a supernova. These stars are incredibly dense, so much so that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Neutron stars are composed mainly of neutrons, which are subatomic particles that have no electrical charge. They are the remnants of stars that were once many times more massive than our Sun, and their density is so extreme that it warps the space-time around them. Neutron stars often emit powerful beams of radiation which can be detected from Earth. There is a giant cloud of alcohol in space. In the constellation Aquila, there is a massive cloud of alcohol in space. The cloud, known as W3OH, is a region of star formation, and it contains large quantities of ethyl alcohol, the kind found in alcoholic beverages. However, it's important to note that the amount of alcohol in this cloud is far too diluted to ever be consumed. The cloud spans about 288 billion kilometers across, and though it contains alcohol, it's also filled with water, ammonia, and other gases. Still, the discovery of alcohol in space is fascinating, as it hints at the possibility that organic compounds essential for life may be widespread in the universe. Space is expanding. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding at a rapid rate. This expansion is not happening within space itself, but rather the fabric of space-time. Galaxies are moving farther apart from each other as the space between them stretches. In 1998, astronomers discovered that not only was the universe expanding, but the rate of expansion is accelerating due to a mysterious force known as dark energy. This dark energy is thought to account for about 68% of the universe's total energy content, but its nature remains one of the greatest mysteries in physics. There is a giant black hole at the center of our galaxy. At the center of the Milky Way galaxy lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. It is estimated to have a mass equivalent to about 4 million times that of our Sun. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, which is why they are invisible to the naked eye. The black hole in our galaxy is surrounded by a dense cluster of stars, and while we can't see it directly, scientists have been able to detect its presence by observing the orbits of nearby stars and the radiation emitted as matter falls into it. Black holes like Sagittarius A** are thought to play a significant role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. A year on Mars is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. There may be life on moons in our solar system. Space is a truly awe-inspiring and mysterious frontier. The universe is full of wonders, from planets made of diamonds to the potential for life on distant moons. While scientists have made incredible progress in understanding space, much about the cosmos remains unknown.